Welcome to Science Academy Tripol. Dear students, in my previous class, I had discussed regarding direct and indirect sentence. I had instructed you how you can frame direct sentence into indirect sentence if the reported verb is in present tense. Today, we will discuss how direct sentences in past tense can be changed into indirect sentence. Rule: if reported verb is in past tense, the verb of reported speech is changed into corresponding past. We had already discussed how the sentence, if it is in past tense, can be converted into indirect speech. Example: he said, I can help you. Mark, here the reported verb is in past tense and the reported speech is in present tense. So we can change the sentence into indirect by he said that I can help you. He could help me. Okay, he said I can help you. If we will change the sentence into indirect, its form will be he said that he could help me. Another example: he said I may help you. He said I may help you. The past form of may is might, so he said that he might help me. Another example: Neha said to Ritu, I am writing a story.
Mr. Santosh, please pick up the phone. Mr. Santosh, please pick up the phone.
Okay, Neha said to Ritu, I am writing a story. Here, Neha told to Ritu that she was writing a story. This way, we can change the direct sentence if the sentence is in past tense by changing the verb of reported speech into past. Like this: he said I can help you. He said that he could help me. He said I may help you. He said that he might help me. Neha said to Ritu, I am writing a story. Neha told to Ritu that she was writing a story. But dear students, if the sentence is in interrogative, or how interrogative sentences can be changed into indirect speech. Remember, while changing the direct sentence of interrogative sentence into indirect sentence, we have to change the verb said to asked, wanted to know, questioned, interrogated, inquired of, etc. And before reporting speech, if oblique whether is used. In interrogative sentence, you have to change the reported verb said to asked, wanted to know, questioned, interrogated, inquired of, etc. And before reporting speech, if oblique whether is used. Whether, if oblique whether is used. Example, he said, can I use your pen? He said, can I use your pen? Its indirect form will be like this: he wanted to know. Or you can use he asked, he wanted to know. Or you may use asked, he asked if he could use my pen. He said, can I use your pen? He wanted to know or asked if he could use my pen. Another example, he said, is this a college? Is this a college? Here he asked or he wanted to know if that was a college. He wanted to know oblique asked if that was a college. This way you can change the direct sentence, if it is in interrogative sentence, into indirect by changing the reporting verb said to asked, wanted to know, questioned, interrogated, inquired of, etc. And before reporting speech, if oblique whether is used. Another example, the police inspector, the police officer said, are you Mr. Mishra? Are you Mr. Mishra? Here the police officer said, are you Mr. Mishra? We'll change the reported verb said into inquired of. Its answer will be the police officer inquired of if I was Mr. Mishra. Okay, but another thing is that if the reported speech or if there are double H words beginning of the reported speech, how these sentences can be made into indirect sentence. I am going to give you some simple example which can help you to learn how you can change the direct sentence into indirect sentence of a double H words. Example: he said, who are you? Who are you? He said, who are you? Here is a sentence that he said, who are you? Now we will change the sentence into indirect speech. He asked, oblique, wanted to know that who I was. He asked or wanted to know that who I was. Another example, he said, where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? He said, where do you live? Here we can change the sentence into indirect speech by this way. He wanted to know that where I lived. Another example, he said, why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? Suppose it is sentence, he said, why are you so sad? Its indirect speech will be like this. He asked or he wanted to know that why I was so sad. By adopting this rule, you can change all the sentences of a direct sentences into indirect if the sentences are in interrogative sentence. Now I shall teach you how imperative sentences can be changed into indirect form. Remember, while changing the direct sentence of imperative sentence into indirect, we have to change the reported verb said into the following words. Said is changed into ordered, directed, commanded, suggested, instructed, invited, requested, consolated, prayed, wished, thanked, warned, etc. And only before the reporting speech, only to is used. How? Example: He said, get out. He said, get out. Here, the reported verb said is changed into ordered. He ordered to get out. He ordered to get out. Another example, the commander said to the soldiers, march on. Here, look at the sentence. The commander said to the soldier, march on. Here, the commander commanded. Here, the commander commanded. The commander commanded to the soldiers to march on. How we change the sentence into indirect sentence. Another example, he said, please attend at my birthday party. He said, please attend at my birthday party. Here, the reported verb is changed into invited. He invited to attend at his birthday party. That means here the speaker invited you to attend at his birthday party. So we can write the sentence, he invited me to attend at his birthday party. He invited me to attend at his birthday party. Okay, dear students, this way we can frame the indirect sentence into direct sentence by adopting the rules that I taught you today, and in my previous class I had taught you some valuable instructions or lessons which would help you how to change direct sentence into indirect sentence. In my next class I shall teach you article. Especially article is the most important elements of English grammar. When we write a sentence or we speak a sentence, we use some parts of a speech. These parts are very valuable to make a complete sentence. So the elements, article, how it is important in your writing and speaking. In my next class I shall teach you regarding the use of articles, and I think during this lockup or a shutdown period I shall complete all the grammatical classes or grammar which will help you how to write and speak a sentence. And in your annual examination you are going to face a passage, correct the error. While correcting the passage, you have to change some incorrect words, some incorrect formation of the words or sentences, and you have to correct them. Suppose an example, he said that he liked a book written by Nehru. Suppose here is a sentence. He said that he liked a book written by Nehru. No, he said that he liked the book written by Nehru. And here the writer particularizes the book that he liked written by Nehru. These are the common error which you can find in a sentence and you have to correct them. Okay. dear student, in my next class, we will discuss elaborately regarding articles and their applications in my next class. Thanks all of you, your Santosh sir.